Good morning students. Today's our topic is general method for finding a roots of a quadratic equation. Okay, before we have discussed a quadratic equation to find a roots, we have using splitting method and completing the square. This is the general method of for finding a roots of a quadratic equation. Okay, here I have taken consider a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Okay, I have taken the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Okay, we need to have square number on a first term. It is not a square number, so I have to do this here. Divide by a throughout the equation. What we get here, x square plus b by ax plus c by a equals to 0. We get x square plus b by ax plus c by a equals to 0. Here that equals to, now we have to use completing the square here. What we get here, it is x square, x all square I can write, plus 2 into a into b. Okay, I have using here a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. It is a square, a whole square plus 2 into a means what we have here, a means x, 2 into a into b. So what we have to take here, when b, we will get b by a into x, b by a into x. So I have to take here b by 2a I have to take here. When I taken a b by 2a, here 2 cancel. What remaining here, b by a into x, b by a x. Look at here, a square plus 2 into a into b. I have taken b by 2a. In b plus I have taken b by 2a. Why? Because if we multiply this total, we will get b by a into x. So I have taken an extra, okay, it is a b term, so a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square, b by 2a whole square. This is extra term I have taken, plus b by 2a whole square I have taken, so I have to do minus b by 2a whole square plus c by a equals to 0. Look at here, this is x square plus 2 into x into b by 2a means I will get b by a into x, okay, plus b by 2a whole square. Why? Because I have taken this for existing a formula, I have need b square. For existing formula a plus b whole square, I need this, so that is why I have taken b by 2a whole square is an extra term. When I take an extra term, so plus I have taken, so minus also I have taken, it is cancelled, c by a. Okay, now it looks like a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. So a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square minus, it looks like b, okay, open the square here, open the bracket, what we get here, b square by 4a square plus c by a equals to 0. Okay, now look at x plus b by 2a whole square equals to c by a minus c by a plus b square by 4a square, b square by 4a square. Okay, now what we get here, 4, okay, here LCM a and 4a square LCM is 4a square is the LCM. Here a cancelled, so what remaining here, 4a is remaining. 4a square means 4 into a into a, 4 into a into a cancelled, what remaining here, 4a, so 4a into numerator c, so 4ac plus 4a square cancel, so b square. Okay, now x plus b by 2a whole square equals to this much. Now x plus b by 2a equals to, this is the square root of 4ac plus b square by 4a square. Okay, now look at here, Now what we get here, root over 4ac plus b square, look at here plus c by a, when going to the right hand side it is minus c by a, so it is a minus, so minus 4ac, so it is also minus 4ac. So I have to write here b square minus 4ac, root over b square minus 4ac by root over 4a square means root 4 to root a square is a, b square minus 4ac by 2a, b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now what remaining here, we need to calculate x. So x equals to what we get here, b square minus 4ac by 2a minus b by 2a, b by 2a, okay, b by 2a. Do the LCM here, what we get here, 2a is a LCM, 2a is LCM, so what we get here, b square minus 4ac minus b. That means I have to write this in the form of x equals to minus b. It is looks like a square root, so I have to write it is plus or minus. It is plus or minus. Okay, so minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the general method to finding the roots of a quadratic equation. What is the formula? X equals to minus b plus or